Hi, welcome. Welcome to Morphus Trading Group. Today's ETF technical setup is for the PowerShares US Dollar Bull, ticker UUP. And today's setup, we call this the first thrust reversal setup. There are four main components to the first thrust reversal setup. The first being, we must be in an established long-term downtrend. And the downtrend is defined by a sequence of lower lows, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on. With each attempted rally, you will notice when we hit or run into the 20-period moving average, UUP is unable to go higher, and it then moves and sets a new lower low. In addition, the downtrend line, you'll see the same thing. UUP is unable to break above the dotted downtrend line. The second component to this trade is there must be a capitulation move at the end of the downtrend. Notice we have a big gap down here and a very sharp move lower, an extremely sharp move lower that's even more sharp than the previous reversals off of the downtrend line off of the 20 MA. Shortly after this thrust down, you'll notice we get a big spike in volume, and it's quickly followed by a big spike in price action, a thrust up in price action. The price action is so severe that its intraday range is anywhere from 2 to 3, sometimes 4 times as great as a typical average daily trading range, in this case of UUP. This move serves to trap bears in the move. Anyone who was bearish at this point now has to be fearful when you get that violent and that big volume of a move upward. Now, before we would enter the trade, we wait. We have to wait to see that it settles in a little bit. We want to wait for a pullback and see that there's a little bit of consolidation. And notice here, 2 days in a row, UUP just kind of moved sideways, pulled back a little bit, came in close to the 20-day moving average. And it was the next day, notice the blue arrow, on this particular day, May 11th, that we first entered the trade. We entered a partial position on this day. Now, following this, we have a period of consolidation in the blue box, which simply means that regardless if the broad market was going higher, the S&P or the NASDAQ was moving higher, or if it was moving lower, all that was happening is UUP was going sideways. It was consolidating, sort of absorbing that first big thrust upward, a chance to sort of catch up to itself. Now today, the 20th of May, after 10 days of consolidation, we added to the position here on this candle. We now fully expect UUP, since we have this confirmation, to move to higher territory and set another higher high and resume what we believe to be the new uptrend. If you enjoyed today's presentation, please feel free to join us at www.morphustrading.com, and you can sign up for your free subscription to receive analysis like this every day.